are you doing today?
3.
We are fine, thank you. And you?
3.
We are fine too, thank you.
Where did you go yesterday? We didn't see you at school. We went to the pagoda. Why do you go to the pagoda? Because it's a Chomban day. What the Chomban day? Can you tell us? Yes, we can. Chomban day. Chomban is one of the largest festival in Cambodia. Every year in October, people always celebrate the Chomban day to dedicate the food and other offerings through the month. To their relatives who have passed away always, because we believe that some of the dead receive punishment for their sin in hell. Chomban is the largest festival in Cambodia. A day before Chomban Day, my family always make the Khmer traditional rice cake wrapped in banana leaves called num and som, and there are many kinds of it, but the most common ones are banana and pork and mung bean. Before we make the rice cake, my mom and I collected banana leaves and clean with my sister and my brother, and they prepare the coconut milk
To mix with the rice before we wrap with other ingredients.
The next morning, we went to the pagoda to dedicate the food and drink through the monks who are relatives who have passed away and might be in hell. We hope they refill all our pressure and will get up from the hell soon.
Very happy to have Chomban Day as a holiday in Cambodia, so my family can have a great time and make a lot of great memories together.
I am Bethana. I am Sairot. I am Aileen. I am Sita. I am Jasper. Finally, we can say that Edward International School always offers a real knowledge, morality, discipline, and success to our students. We would like to say thank you, everybody, for paying attention to our speaking today. Wish you all